Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are here today, I assume you watched the last video to the end. My name is Jay, and I'm welcoming you back to my channel. If you are looking for the best business opportunities in Lagos that can bring you serious profit, then you're in the right place. You see, in the last video, we talked about the top 5 most profitable businesses you can start in Lagos, Nigeria today. So today we'll be diving deeper into all those businesses. Just as we all know that Lagos is a city that is full of opportunities. So make sure you watch to the end because we will be talking a lot today. We'll be diving deeper on how you can start it, how you can go about it, what to do, the pros and cons of it. You see, Lagos, Nigeria is one of the most populated and one of the biggest cities in Africa, and it's about roughly 20 million people, if not more than, and has a rapid growing economy. So the high demand for efficient movement of people and goods make transportation one of the most profitable business in the state, from commercial buses to ride-hailing, logistics. So today we'll be breaking down why transportation and logistics is one of the most profitable business and how you can tap into this lucrative business. So stay with me, don't go anywhere. There are multiple ways to make money in Lagos transportation industry. I mean, there are different business models in Lagos transport industry, and each of it are offering a great profit potentials. And on our number one, we have commercial bus, which we all know as Danfo or the small bus. Yeah, you see, Lagos famous yellow bus, which we all know as Danfo, dominates the longer distance routes, which the small bus, which we call Korobe over here, dominates the short distance routes. And in this business, the driver and the bus owner makes daily returns, and when they pass the right route, they earn like the earnings can be around 15,000 to 40,000 naira per day, which makes it 360,000 naira to 960,000 naira for 24 days respectively. And I bet many people don't actually know this. A lot of people don't actually know this. So on our number two for today, we have ride-hailing services, which you all normally call Bolt or Uber because those two are the major ones a lot of people actually use. You see, private car owners can register for Bolt, Uber, Lagride, InDrive, Ride, and a good driver makes up to 200,000 naira to 300,000 naira or to 350,000 naira monthly. It's depending on the working hours, and because the more you work, the more you make in this sector. The demand for comfortable and safe transport makes this a growing sector because many people love to be comfortable everywhere they are, even when they don't own the car yet. And on our number three for today, we have Tricycle, which is our own famous Keke Napep. Yeah, and the most overlooked of them all. Just say, Tricycle are used to navigate the inner part of the Lagos, which is the nook and cranny, those places that the yellow bus and the mini bus cannot go to. And this actually makes them the most essential part of Lagos transportation sector. They are safer to use, which make them a high profile sector. An average rider can make up to 8,000 to 15,000 naira daily, in which the owner makes like 48,000 naira a week. Yeah, that's like they like paying like 8,000 naira per day for the owner of the tricycle. And it's more than that, depend on the area, on the location, and the agreement. So that's roughly like 192,000 to 360,000 naira for the rider, and 192,000 to 240,000 naira for the owner. So which makes it very lucrative, investing in a business and you get like 240,000 naira. And the parts are not expensive, as in the maintenance of Keke Napep is not as expensive as the minibus or our own yellow famous bus. And the number four on transport and logistics, it's logistics services and delivery itself. Yep. You see, the rise of online businesses and food delivery services has created a massive demand for logistics riders in Lagos because a small business need fast delivery and rider charges per trip or contract. A single biker can generate around 80,000 to 200,000 naira per month. It depends on the number of trips it runs daily. And on transport, I have a profit tip, a very important profit tip. If you don't want to drive or ride yourself, you can own a multiple vehicles. Yeah, you can own a fleet of cars, lease them out to drivers for daily or weekly remittance. Never do monthly, no. Don't do monthly. We all know how we Nigerians actually do sometimes. So you can actually own a lot. From there, you start a company, you give out cars to Ubers, to Bolt, to drivers, to work, bus as well, the yellow bus, the mini bus. You can actually do that business if you're capable enough to do it. And I'm assuring you that you're going to make a very huge profit. One of the main reasons why I'm recommending transportation business in Lagos is because of its low startups and scalability. Yep. Starting a transportation business in Lagos can be done with a minimal investment, especially the bike and ride hailing services. Yeah, you can start with one vehicle and expand as profit increases. Yeah, so you can start up like that. Loan and leasing options allow entrepreneurs to acquire vehicles without large upfront costs. Actually, thousands of people does that, and many driver work on hire purchase in Lagos. So the scalability tip on this is, as your business grows, you can hire more drivers, invest in fleet management to increase your profits. By doing that, you end up making a lot of money. One of the main reason why I'm telling you to go into transportation business is because of its daily cash flow and profit margin. Like unlike other businesses where profit comes in at the end of the month, transportation business generates daily income. I mean, buses and tricycle earn cash immediately after trip. Logistics businesses receive payments for delivery, which ensure consistent flow. The ride hailing app payouts weekly, ensuring steady earnings. I won't be among the people that will tell you business is profitable without telling you the challenges of it. But as I'm going to tell you the challenges to expect from transportation and business, I'm still going to tell you how to overcome it. So, why the transportation business in Lagos is lucrative, there are still many challenges to consider. Yeah. The number one challenge you definitely face, or should I say likely face, in Lagos transportation sector is traffic congestion. Yep, traffic congestion. With 20 million people or over 20 million people living in the cities, and whereby like 90% of those people transport themselves from one place to another on a daily basis. So traffic is meant to happen like that. So, but don't be scared. Don't be afraid. There's actually a solution to that. And the simple solution I have for it is, as a driver or as an investor, you can tell a driver, focus on a shorter route. Yep. So when you focus on a shorter and high demanding routes, or use alternative routes as well. So that is the solution to bypass the traffic congestion. The number two challenge you're likely to face in Lagos transportation sector is government regulation and ban. With Lagos growing, government brings out different regulations every few months. Yeah, should I say every few months or a year? So they bring it, and when you actually go against those regulations, it require ban and fines. So, but don't be scared. There's actually a solution to that as well. And my simple solution for it is to stay updated on government regulations. Yeah. Stay updated on government transport laws. Yeah, regulated on those, and invest in only approved vehicles. That is very, very important. Invest in only approved vehicles. That is very, very important as well. And number three for the challenge is vehicle maintenance costs. Yeah, to keep something running, to keep your vehicle running, it needs steady maintenance. So, but the normal cars that we drive, we actually have to maintain it as well. So it's almost the same thing maintaining the commercial ones as well. So the simple solution to that is to make sure that you go on a regular service. When you do that, it prevents a major repairs. Yeah, when you do it all the time, it prevents major repairs because whoever is servicing your vehicle for you detects the issue before it gets bigger and makes you spend a lot of money. And by doing this, it keeps your vehicle run longer. You know, it keeps it to run longer and it helps to bring in more profit. Is transportation business in Lagos worth it? Absolutely. You see, transportation business in Lagos is one of the best way to generate steady and high income. Whether you invest in bus, you invest in ride hailing, you invest in keke, you invest in logistics, there is a huge demand and multiple ways to make profit from it. So don't forget, as far as there is constant demand for transportation in Lagos, you will never run out of income. Yep. You can start small, grow to a flave, just like we said. There are multiple profitable options as well. If you are looking for a business with daily and steady income with high scalability, transportation business in Lagos is a good choice. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get the remaining business tips. See you in the next video.